Hi, welcome back, practical mechanicians. The UL error is one of the most common errors you'll get with a Maytag Bravos washing machine. The UL stands for Unbalanced Load. Now, you could have an unbalanced load, maybe too many heavy towels or jeans, but the number one reason for this error beyond that is a single loose bolt. And you can fix this in about 5 minutes. So the first thing to do is tip your washer up, either front or back, or to the side. You can even do this when there's still water in the tub. Just lean it against something or put a block of wood under one side. Alright, so underneath, if you see grease splatter, this is another telltale symptom of this problem. Now, check the tightness of this center bolt holding the rotor on. In my case, it was so loose I could turn it by hand. If this bolt is loose, then this is absolutely your problem, and the reason you have the UL error code. To fix it, use a 1/4 inch Allen wrench to tighten it up. Better yet, use a little bit of blue Loctite on the threads. This is a thread locker that will hold it tight, but still allow you to disassemble it in the future if necessary. Put some of the blue Loctite on the threads. Tighten up the bolt as much as possible. Ideally, you would let this dry for 24 hours. And that should fix your UL error code. If this fixed your problem, please leave the model number of your washer in the comments. This will help other people find this video. And that's all I have to say about that. Thanks a lot and have a great day.